Hello, I'm Helmi, head mechanic of the Carro workshop. Today I'm going to show you how you can replace your spark plug without going over to the workshop. As its name suggests, the spark plug creates a spark which is used to ignite the fuel needed to start up the car. As with most car parts, your spark plugs will eventually wear off. This will bring problems like poor petrol mileage, lack of acceleration, and more. Replacing the spark plugs is quite a simple task. All you need is the right tools. Before you start, make sure your engine has been cooled off. And first, you need to locate the spark plug ignition coil. As for this engine, these are the ignition coil. To access the spark plug, you need to remove the ignition coil by using a 10mm spanner. Unscrew the fastener and remove the ignition coil. And you need 3 tools: the ratchet, an extension, and a spark plug socket. Loosen the spark plug until you find it's very loose. Use a magnet to pick up the spark plug. Replace a new spark plug. Do not tie the spark plug too tight. Just about right. Reinstall the ignition coil and fasten the screw. Yep, that's about it. If you need help with any of your car repairs, do come and visit us at Sin Ming Auto City.